Ever found yourself staring at that FavePay QR code, wondering which card to whip out? You're not alone. We've all been there, scrolling through our digital wallets, trying to figure out the best way to maximize those rewards and maybe even snag a little cashback. Because let's face it, every little bit counts, right? Especially when you're indulging in your favorite bubble tea or grabbing a bite at that new restaurant you've been eyeing. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of credit card strategies for FavePay, let's quickly recap what FavePay actually is. For those who might be new to the game, FavePay is a super convenient mobile payment feature integrated into the Fave app. It lets you pay for your meals, groceries, and other treats at participating merchants, often with the added bonus of cashback or rewards. It's all about convenience and getting more bang for your buck. So, the million-dollar question, which credit card should you link to your FavePay account? The answer, as with most things in personal finance, isn't a simple one-size-fits-all. It depends heavily on your spending habits and the specific perks your credit cards offer. First things first, let's talk about cashback. If you have a credit card that offers a decent cashback rate on dining or online transactions, that's a great place to start. Many cards offer bonus cashback for specific categories, and if FavePay transactions fall under those categories, you're in luck. Imagine getting a percentage of your spending back every time you use FavePay. It's like getting paid to treat yourself. Next, consider rewards points. Some credit cards reward you with points for every dollar you spend. These points can then be redeemed for a variety of things, from travel and merchandise to statement credits. If your card has a good rewards program, linking it to FavePay can be a fantastic way to accumulate points and unlock those rewards faster. But here's a pro tip: don't just focus on the headline rewards rate. Dig deeper into the terms and conditions. Some cards have caps on how much cashback or rewards you can earn in a given period. Others might have specific requirements, like minimum spending amounts, before you start earning rewards. Understanding these details is crucial to maximizing your benefits. Another factor to consider is the type of merchant you're frequenting. Some credit cards offer bonus rewards for spending at specific merchants or merchant categories. For example, you might have a card that gives you extra cashback at restaurants or supermarkets. If the merchants you use FavePay at fall into these categories, you'll be doubling up on your rewards. Finally, don't forget about the fees. While most credit cards don't charge a fee for using FavePay itself, it's always good to be aware of any potential fees, such as annual fees or foreign transaction fees. If you're using a card with a high annual fee but not maximizing the rewards, it might not be the most cost-effective option. So, how do you figure out the best card for you? Take a look at your credit card statements and analyze your spending habits. Identify the categories where you spend the most and see which of your cards offers the best rewards in those areas. Compare the rewards programs, cashback rates, and any associated fees. And don't be afraid to do a little research online to see what other people are saying about different credit cards. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.